Hello investors, welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 penny stocks for your Valentine's Day 2021 watch list. So let's dive on in and check these penny stocks out. It's going to be a little bit different than usual, but very interesting. First penny stock for Valentine's Day is going to be Waitr Holdings Inc. So this WTRH stock is a penny stock that's been on our radar for quite some time. If you're not familiar, Waitr Holdings provides online food ordering and delivery services in the U.S. I know you're probably thinking, well, what about Uber Eats and DoorDash and all these other ones? Well, all these big name competitors, obviously. Surprisingly, WTRH has made a big name for itself in over 640 cities in the country. Now, Waitr partners with both independent local restaurants and big name chains, providing customers with a comfortable online food ordering experience. During the pandemic, food delivery has reigned supreme as the industry that is affected positively by the Rona. Even outside of being in a pandemic, food delivery companies have seen a significant increase in popularity in the past few years. Now, while there aren't many penny stocks that work in this area, WTRH has managed to be on the forefront of many investors' minds. This is because it is both a tech penny stock and a consumer service penny stock. Since the DoorDash IPO, investors have been showing a lot of bullishness sentiment around similar companies. Also, WTRH stock has been, seeing a lot of tremendous increase in its average daily volume during the period. Obviously, investors should keep a close eye on WTRH's financials to craft a real picture of what the company looks like and what they have. But heading into Valentine's Day weekend, ordering in could be the new dining out. So let's check it on out. Let's take a look at this graph. Ticker symbol WTRH. It was up about 1.28% on Friday. So, fraction, not even much, 5 cents. So it's currently trading at $3.96. As we can see, ever since the pandemic started, this stock has been booming from 31 cents to $3.96 right now. That is over 1,000% gain right there, over 1,000% gain. So to give you an example, if you had about $1,000 invested into this penny stock, right now it'd be valued around $10,000. So we see this huge spike happen here, then it pulled back down, build up with a little bit of support, and then pushed up again with volume, pushed up again, reaching highs up here about $5.85. Then we pulled back down to about the previous, support slash resistance area at around $2.50 area right there. And then obviously going throughout 2021 now, we started to move from this $2.78 area all the way to about $4, a little bit higher than $4. And now we're making a little bit of a pullback, hoping for a consolidation right there, breaking through that resistance, and then continuing to push up to the next resistance at around $5, $5.50. If we can push through that, we're going to give this one a price tag at around $6 per share for the rest of 2021. As volume is also picking up, you can see down here we're trading around 2 to 10 million shares every single day. Now leave a comment below, what do you guys think about this penny stock? As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you for viewing this content, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video in the first 24 hours of it being up. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. Even if you're single, happy Valentine's Day to you as well. Now, we're almost at 20,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below, what penny stocks are you trading right now, and what are you doing for Valentine's Day if you're doing anything. If you guys are interested in signing up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. And also, if you guys want to be members in our Patreon and get exclusive content in our Discord, click on that link in the description to join the Patreon as well. The number 2 Valentine's Day penny stock is going to be Rave Restaurant Group Inc. So this one right here, as opposed to offering an application for food delivery, Rave Restaurant Group is the direct owner of several large restaurant franchises. This includes the franchises Pizza Inn and Pie 5, among others. Rave targets both standalone real estate and strip mall kiosks, and more recently, food courts and college campuses even. As you can see, Rave has worked to target several unique food markets, whether most franchises work specifically on one model. This diversification is one of the reasons that the investors seem to like Rave stock, and also the name. People like names like this. So there's actually a study, if you guys look out there, people like names that are unique or something to remember. So obviously a stock name, the stock symbol Rave, is going to be something you're going to be thinking about, obviously. And just like we have the ETF YOLO for the MJ market, people are going to be remembering these ones, and that's why it's so interesting. So a week ago, Rave reported its Q2 2021 financial results for the period ending on December 27, 2020. The company brought in a net income of $102,000 compared to $14,000 in Q2 2020. Total revenue for the period came in at around 2.1 million. This represents a 0.7 million decrease over the same period of last year. While this decrease may seem disheartening, the majority of its restaurants depend on in-person business. However, in the past few months, the company has greatly increased its delivery and pickup services. While the pandemic has affected Rave Restaurant Group, the company is showing resilience in the face of the Rona. The CEO of Rave stated that while we continue to work through challenges presented by the pandemic, we are seeing stronger indications that the team and strategy we put into place are taking hold and yielding results in repositioning Rave for the long-term success. Obviously, will heart-shaped pizzas be something people rave about heading into the holiday weekend? I definitely think so. A lot of you guys are going to be getting those heart-shaped pizzas. I know. Don't be lying. I know you guys will be. So this one's going to be ticker symbol RAVE. This one was up about 3% on Friday, or about 5 cents, currently trading at $1.70. So as we can see here, it's been trading at around this $1 level pretty much. Then we had this pop right here with huge volume of 66 million shares. That could have potentially been earnings. So right there, it went to about $2.36 high. Then we saw, it was overbought, way overbought. We saw a huge pullback all the way down to pretty much where it was before that, almost at around 70 cents. Then we saw here it brought up to a new level, previous resistance area, traded there for a while in January, and then it broke out of there. And then going into the earnings last week, obviously we went from about $1 per share all the way up here to highs of about $1.70, and we're continuing to move up with volume right now. 9-10 million shares every single day almost. So volume is picking up. Now what we're going to be looking forward to is beat this previous 52-week high. So our price target on this one is going to be $2.50 for the rest of February in 2021, obviously, to see what is going to happen for the rest of 2021, how Rave Restaurant Group is going to be affected by the Rona, and how it will be, if it's going to be successful or not. The number 3 penny stock for Valentine's Day is going to be Muscle Maker Inc. So this one is going to be consistent with the other penny stocks on this list. Muscle Maker Inc. operates a delivery sector within its business. In fact, the company has transitioned from purely in-person dining to a large meal delivery service. What makes it different than the other companies on this list is that Grill delivers pre-made meals on a by-order basis. And once again, it has a unique name, a ticker symbol GRIL, Grill. That is something that, investors are going to remember. They're not going to remember, a ticker symbols like JNJ or something like, ABBV or PFE. They're going to remember Grill. Grill is something you can easily remember. Now, this model has become extremely popular during the outside of the pandemic. Now, in addition to offering delivery, Muscle Maker is an owner and franchisor of Muscle Maker Grill and Healthy Joe's restaurants. These are held under the Grill name. A few weeks ago, the company also added the Burger Joe name as one of its newest sub-brands. The company stated that this new restaurant would offer healthy alternatives to traditional fast food. While it won't be a standalone brand, it will be offered in the existing Muscle Maker Grill and Healthy Joe's restaurants. Mike Roper, CEO of Muscle Maker Grill, stated that we're thrilled to kick off the new year with some new brands and offerings. Burger Joe's provides a healthier for you burger and a cheat day option for those who want a more decent burger. Now, households will no longer be divided on whether to order or not. We have something for everybody. We can launch these brands from our already existing brick and mortar and ghost kitchen locations quickly with little cost associated, making them a win for our non-traditional growth plans. Now, though nobody is looking for a cheat day on Valentine's Day, could speculation on restaurant names help momentum in grill right now? I definitely think so, but let's take a look. So this one, it was up about 5.2% on Friday. Ticker symbol GRIL. You're trading at $3.02. It was up about 15 cents on Friday. So we see this one, very, very nice. Volume is actually pretty low, trading usually under a million. But then we saw this huge news right here, and it traded at 8 million shares. The stock went from $2.40 all the way to highs of about $3, a little bit higher than $3, then made it a little bit of a pullback. So we're going to be looking forward with this one is for it to break through the first resistance at $3.50. If it can break through that resistance, then we have all the way to about $4.50 until we hit the 52-week high and break through that resistance potentially. So I see some huge potential for Muscle Maker Inc., ticker symbol Grill. I think this company is going to be a company we're going to be looking forward to in the next few years. So this one is my favorite pick on this list. So definitely keep it on your radar, and let's see what happens going throughout 2021. Price target on this one, $4.50. The fourth penny stock on our list for Valentine's Day is going to be iFresh Inc. So this company specializes in Asian American foods and is working on capitalizing the market. The company states that it has a proprietary in-house delivery network. It has a strong online sales channel. These items together have helped it grow during the pandemic. Because of its growing size, the company can offer specialty Asian foods at a lower price than many of its competitors. While iFresh doesn't put out too many announcements, it did release its Q2 2020 financial results a few months ago, In the results for the quarter ending on September 30th, iFresh posted a net sale of $24.2 million. This represents a small increase over the same period over the previous year. Now, during the quarter, the company acquired Jungjing Blue Sky Technology. Jungjing is a growing e-commerce enterprise based in China. At the end of the quarter, the company posted $7.8 million in cash. It had accounts receivable of $4.3 million. Long Deng, chairman of iFresh, stated that the second quarter's weak financial results reflected the combination of the factors including the Rona and related economic conditions. However, I am very proud that the iFresh team navigated the challenging circumstances to deliver a solid quarter. Now, while iFresh took a small hit this quarter, investors should wait to see its next financial results to make a proper judgment, obviously, to see if it continues on the decline or if it will continue to boom on up. But with its delivery and online ordering services, it looks like iFresh is working around the pandemic. With this in mind, is IFMK a penny stock to watch? Let's dive on in and check it out. It was down about 25% actually, which is horrible. Not good day on Friday, trading at around $2.47 right now. But we see what happened here, right? The stock was trading around this $1 level pretty much for the past 12 months. Then we see right here, boom, it shoots on up to about $1.43, pulls back down, and then from $1.18, volume. Wow, look at this volume. 46 million shares traded. The stock goes from about $1.18 all the way up here to highs of over $4.25. So this stock saw some huge, massive gains, obviously 300% plus gains right there. Obviously, the stock is way overbought and it saw a pullback from that $4 area all the way back down to about $2.47 on Friday. It lost about 83 cents of those gains. Now, if you were to trade this one, you definitely don't want to jump on this one right now as it's still pulling back. It could continue to pull back next week. We're going to be looking for consolidation. We need consolidation and decent volume to pick up. Once it consolidates at a decent support area, which I'm hoping is going to be around this $2.50 area, if it can do that, then it can continue to slowly move on up, and we'll see where it goes on from there. But we're going to give this one a price target in 2021, actually, of about $4 per share. I think that it could easily reach $4 per share by the end of 2021. We'll have to see what happens throughout the next few months. And last but not least is going to be Drive Shack. That is going to be our 5th penny stock. So this one, finally, Drive Shack is one of the entertainment, reopening epicenter penny stocks we've followed for a long time. The company operates driving range sports bars in the U.S., similar to a Topgolf. The idea is centered around golf with the feel of your neighborhood bar to go watch a game at. Now, the company ran into trouble last year thanks to the virus, but as states began loosening restrictions, DS stock began reflecting the upbeat sentiment. Now, in January, the company announced a collaboration with pro golfer Rory McIlroy. He is to make a large investment in the Drive Shack's Puttery franchise's future growth via his investment vehicle, Symphony Ventures. Drive Shack has previously announced its plan to open an additional 5 Puttery locations by the end of 2021 and 10 other sites by the end of 2022. So to achieve this, the company obviously had to announce a huge public offering. Net proceeds will be used for working capital and the planned development of 5 of the 7 Puttery venues in 2021, amongst other things, according to a statement. What's also interesting is that the company's own direct had even picked up shares for this raise in a Form 4 filing. You'll see Weasley Eason bought 672,780 shares at $2.40 price. Obviously, social distancing is a big deal right now, but with the distance between driving range stalls, it could be something that couples look for, something exciting instead of going out to a candlelit dinner in a room full of people. What do you guys think? Let's take a look. So ticker symbol DS, it was up about 5.84% on Friday, or it's trading at around $2.90. We obviously saw it go from $3.50 last year all the way down to about $1. Then we continue to see these up and down movements with volume, but we see here towards the end of 2020, it went from $1.29 all the way to highs up here of about $3.39. So it made some decent gains of over 100% gain right there, 150%. We see volume is, pretty decent actually every single day, between 1 and 10 million shares traded, sometimes even higher, 15 million shares we see. So it built up a support level right here at $2.48, and it broke out through the previous resistance at $3.29, $3.30. Then it saw a little bit of a pullback, but we're hitting those 52-week highs. If we can break through that $3.50 resistance right there from previous times, it can continue to move on up. I'm going to give DS a price target of $5 per share for the rest of 2021. Leave a comment below letting me know what you guys think about this one. So as always, those are going to be your 5 penny stocks for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you. I hope you guys are having a great day. As always, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes, showing you a list of stocks that you should be looking at on your watch list to see for potential growth, obviously. obviously. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Webull and getting your 2 free stocks, links are going to be in the description. Join our Patreon for exclusive content in our Discord chat. And as always, if you guys enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys enjoyed, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.